Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you form is temporary, class is permanent. How to challenge Centurions event in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started. There is a new event. This is the news update. Centurions, welcome to the Centurions, where form is temporary, class is permanent. These ever-present figures have etched their names in their club's history by reaching the notable centenary milestone. So you can complete daily skill games and blah blah blah. You can directly jump into the Centurion events. Tap the banner. And welcome to the Centurions. There is a load of content for you to enjoy the chapter. So this is the first chapter, the main chapter of Centurion. You can choose Centurion as the reward. Engage in the event to earn your Centurion player. Okay, I will choose later. There is also exciting content outside the chapter. So as always, there is a Centurion quest, like event quests, exclusive. Exchange, as usual, Centurion's challenge, like daily and weekend challenge. And top offers, you can purchase a pack or gems here. And also now let's begin the Centurion journey. So total there are 1 2 3 4 5 chapter. This is find Centurions, okay, but this is like scout, or this is like winter wildcard scout. Let's find, okay, we talk about this find Centurions in next video, but we will focus on the main chapter. So in this main chapter you can choose Zico or Ruud van Nistelrooy. So in this case I will choose this Ruud van Nistelrooy. Right winger, it's Van Nistelrooy in real life is become center forward or striker, but in this case he will become right winger. So I already selected Van Nistelrooy, and later you can choose Makelele or a Philip Flam. Here confirm select. You can play the event acquired to sacrifice. Okay, selection will be next week. So after that you can go to the parallel world as a fan. As you can see, you can play daily game, collecting trade points, and also the road of Van Nistelrooy. So let's begin. Good luck. Challenge this Centurions event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.